I've got a day off from painting and I've just come up to walk through the trees, the fields, the woods up here. It's beautiful. Look at this. So much green and so peaceful. So lovely, and all these lovely grasses and things growing. Those dock leaves are enormous. I should put my sketchbook now. Although sometimes you just need time off. Just time off for yourself. It gives you time to think about a few things. Look at these lovely things here. Gorgeous. I think it's called sorrel. So pretty. When I get home, I can sit and think about what I've seen today and maybe think about some painting ideas for my moon paintings that I'm doing. Even though it doesn't have woods and things like that in, it just gives me ideas and gives me time to think about a few things. And I'm so peaceful and quiet up here. So gorgeous. So I'm enjoying this walk. And tomorrow I'll be painting. So I'll see you tomorrow in my studio. Thanks for watching.